and most active, Niña Angela A. Lumagma. Angel T. Dasalia, best in Hekasi, best in writing, best, most thoughtful, most polite, most helpful, and most generous. Angel T. Dasalia. Agnes Grace P. Rama, best in headed, most industrious, most helpful, most friendly. Agnes Grace P. Rama. Joey Ron A. Karamay, best in memory verse, most energetic, most neat and clean, and most active. Joshua M. Espanyol,